Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yari and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. If you're a barber in the state of Texas and you are working on soon taking your Texas Class A barber practical exam and you are packing and putting together your state board kit, this video will be perfect for you. PSI does provide students with a list of items that are not required to be labeled and also a list of items that must be labeled, which is what we are looking at the screen at the moment. You can find the link to the PSI Bulletin in the description box. And before we get into the video, a friendly reminder that everyone packs their state board kit differently and based on how they plan on performing each required section of the exam. Every school trains their students differently, and I always say, do as you have been trained by your instructors. Remember that my videos are a simple visual and a resource for assistance. Let's get right into it, you guys. This is what the duffel kit bag looks like. Remember, it must be labeled either pre-sanitized or clean on the outside of the bag. Don't forget, you need to take 2 mannequins with you for the day of the test. One with longer hair and one with shorter hair. And yes, they can be male mannequins. Here's a quick view at the inside of the kit. You guys, let's go ahead and get started with the first bag, which is the pre-examination setup and disinfection bag. This is what the bag looks like. And that bag is just a 1-gallon bag. Inside of this bag, we have a trash bag that has to be labeled trash. We have a Ziploc bag with several paper towels inside. We have our hand sanitizer. We have our spray water bottle. We have our EPA disinfectant. We have packaging tape, and we have a first aid kit, and of course our mannequin clamp. Next, we have our manicure service bag. We have a pre-sanitized implement box. We have a nail buffer, a nail brush. We have a trash bag, cuticle oil, soapy water, cuticle softener. We have 2 cuticle pushers. We have a cotton-tipped orange wood stick. We have a nail file. We have several paper towels. We have a manicure bowl, our mannequin hand, 3 towels, our EPA disinfectant, and our hand sanitizer, and of course our tape. Our trash bag must be labeled trash, as you notice, and yeah, pretty much everything that we need based on how we plan on performing each step. So I hope you're finding this helpful and it gives you a better idea on what to pack. Here's another view. Feel free to screenshot if you're making your own kit. Our next bag is the professional shave service bag. So what do we have in this bag? In this bag, you guys, I have another Ziploc bag that will have 2 wet, damp towels. Okay, so those towels, you need to make sure you get those wet before arriving to the test site. Okay, what else is in there? We have an aftershave spray. We have our razor. The razor does not, I repeat, does not need to have a blade. You will also have your shaving cream. You need a headband. You need several paper towels for this section because you will constantly find yourself having to clean your hands. So make sure that you pack several paper towels. We have a hair clip. We have a cape, of course, and then we have 3 other towels. So there's 5 towels in this bag for this specific section. We're gonna drape towel, cape towel, and then of course a towel over the shoulder. So that's it for this section, professional shave service for the Texas Class A Barber Practical Kit. Facial service section. In this bag, we have 2 paper towels, we have a headband, we have a hair clip, a Ziploc bag with cotton rounds, we have our cleansing cream, massage lotion, toner, moisturizer, a cape, and 2 towels. And please be sure that you are labeling those bottles as such. So these bottles must be labeled the product that you are using. So don't forget to label your bottles, but something like your cotton round, that does not need to be labeled, but be sure that you label your bottles: moisturizer, cleansing cream, massage lotion, and toner. Blood exposure incident service. In this bag, we have 3 paper towels, we have a gauze, we have alcohol prep pad, our styptic powder, we have a Q-tip, cotton round, and of course our band-aid. We cannot forget about our band-aid, and gloves. Be sure you have your small trash bag along with your biohazard bag. Remember, double bags, a bag within a bag, and remember that all of your trash wrapping papers are going to go into your biohazard and your trash bag. But that's it. That is all that you need for the blood exposure incident service section for this part of the test. Hair cutting service bag. In this bag, we have the following. We have 2 hair clips, we have a hair cutting cape, we have a neck strip, 2 paper towels, 2 all-purpose combs, a large flat comb, we have our clipper, our hair trimmer, and our shears. A reminder that if you plan on using wireless clippers and trimmers, that they are fully charged before the test. Blow drying and thermal curling service. So what do we have in here? We have 2 all-purpose combs, 2 rat tail combs, we have a cape, 2 towels, a round brush, we have 5 hair clips, 2 paper towels, we have a neck strip, our blow dryer, and of course our curling iron. Next bag, chemical application preparation for permanent wave in single process color retouch service. So we have 2 towels, a cape, 5 hair clips, our protective balm, a spatula, gloves, 2 paper towels, 2 all-purpose combs, and 2 rat tail combs. Permanent wave service bag. Inside of this bag, we have our mock solution, which inside of this bottle, it's only water, you guys, but you have to label it mock solution. We have gloves, we have end papers, we have 4 white perm rods, and we have our cotton coil and the Ziploc bag. That's just where I had my end papers and my rods and the cotton. So that's the Ziploc bag. So that's it for the permanent wave service bag. Single process color retouch service. We have a towel, we have 4 hair clips, 2 color brushes, 2 jars labeled mock hair color or mock chemical, we have a foil, gloves, 2 paper towels, we have a Ziploc bag where I kept the Q-tips, cotton rounds, an alcohol pad, a highlighting comb, an all-purpose comb, and a rat tail comb. Well, that was rude, it cut me off. But anyways, you guys, so here's the thing. Make sure that you pack everything that you need for your kids. Do not pack any extra or additional items that you are not going to use for the test. That'll only throw you off. Only pack what you absolutely only need. And if you're wondering, what do I use to label my bags? You guys, you can print them, grab yourself a Sharpie, a black Sharpie. You can either type them up, print them, and then just tape them over the labels or over the bags. Use the PSI Bulletin to help you label the bags for each section. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot number the bags. That will be considered cheating. So again, this is just a simple visual. I hope it helps you. And if you're wondering, why is there no end of examination disinfection bag? Well, you guys, you do not need end of examination bag, because everything that you will need for that section will already be on your station, which will be paper towels and an EPA disinfectant to simply disinfect your workstation and put everything away. I hope it makes sense. But anyways, you guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you found the information helpful. If you have a barber friend out there and you guys are, preparing to take this test, hey, send them this video, give it a thumbs up, and of course, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your continued support. Let's keep going, let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one.